Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In today's video we are going to learn how to combine code blocks, and by that you can see what I think. It's about making one Scratch block join or combine or to enter the other, like these two point in direction and X position, and similar these two or block and touching mouse pointer. So sometimes in Scratch you will have some different shaped Scratch blocks, and the shape itself will tell you what is possible to do with that block, where you can use it. So for example, if I pick this set X2 and this X position or Y position or direction, you can see how these, I will zoom in, we have learned that before. You can see how this X position, same as Y position, same as direction block, they all have some kind of circular oval shape like egg or something like that, and like a button. And if you zoom in this set X2, you can see that this 0, which you can delete and type whatever number you want in, that shape is resembling this one. They look very similar. So all you have to do is pick the Scratch block which you want to combine, to join, to put in the other, and drag and drop it. And same with as we had with connecting blocks. Here it is with connecting blocks. I was dragging and dropping below, and then I got that gray area shadow to tell me, okay, you can join, you can connect those two. So I will release it and they're connected. Same with joining or combining. All you have to do is drag one into another until you have some kind of feedback from that shape area, in this case set X to 0, and that's it. To unjoin it, uncombine it, to put it away from that, all you have to do is same as with connecting blocks, click and drag it away, same here. So try with some circular oval shapes like these. You have lots of those here, like here volume. I can put here. Some of those don't make sense maybe to you, but the whole idea of this video is just to learn that process, that how things work in Scratch, not to make anything concrete yet or very precise in terms of game or anything. Just learn the basics, the features, the mechanics, and how it works, and how these shapes fit in these holes. Same with other, like these holes, they are hexagon. That means we have 6-sided shape. If it was 5-sided, it would be called pentagon. So this one hexagon. So let's try to find, and here it is, some hexagon block. So this block touching mouse pointer, the light blue one, which I'm moving left and right now, it has 6 sides. So it's probably going to fit here. Yes, I have visual feedback. Okay, maybe I don't need it, I will drag it away. Okay, let me try to put it in this shape. Okay, so it works. So it's very simple, and for some of your more complex game applications, animations, whatever you want to make, you will have to combine some of those, and you can, for example, to make more complex stuff, and you can go crazy as with everything and add one into another, into another, into another, and so on. But I do not recommend that, especially for beginners, because you can lost track easily what you want to do. So it's most common approach is first to imagine, to define what you want to make, what you want to create, and then turn that into coding language. In this situation, it's Scratch drag and drop coding language. So we have learned now how to combine code blocks, to make those two blocks combine into one. And we have learned that you have to look for similar shapes and sizes, and you can combine them, you can join them, but there is also again some kind of exception. So for example, what would happen if I try to put this oval shape, direction, or size into this hexagon? It doesn't allow me, so that makes sense to me. Okay, so this is cool, this doesn't work, at least for now, so that's cool, that's some kind of rule, it makes sense. But for example, if I want to put let me find this one, yeah, so there is some kind of oval shape here. Go to random position, drag and drop menu, and I can put, I think I can put, no, I cannot put it here. Okay, but maybe here there is some oval shape, change x by 10, maybe I can put, yeah, so this is what I was talking about. This change x by 10, it has oval shaped space for oval shaped blocks, so it's probably for something like this. Okay, this makes sense. Or this, okay, this makes sense, but why I can put this hexagon in it? So that can confuse you, but again, just experiment, try it. I will not explain that in more details. I just want to show you that even those things can happen and occur, and those are not errors. Those are made by intention, those are not coincidence, and it will help you, those will help you also on the long run if you want to make more complex games and applications. But for now, just think about it, it's some kind of exception, or okay, I can do even that. So don't be the whole idea here is just to try to experiment, to try things in Scratch, and if it works, there is probably some reason for it, even if I cannot understand it or use it right now. That's it for this video. Again, all of those are really basics, but really important ones for your progression in any kind of language, not only Scratch, but other coding languages, and not only drag and drop, but also same approach can be used for much more complex development and programming languages. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.